Hello guys, welcome to another frickin' tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a frickin' search system with frickin' frick. First of all, you're gonna make a screen GUI and you're gonna call this search system. Something illegible. Well, this is just gonna be the base. And I'll show you how to make one. You're gonna get a frame or a scrolling frame. Personally, I'm gonna just do a frame, since I'm not really gonna be I'm not gonna be using this ever. And you size it however you want. I'm gonna size it to the size of the screen, since this is a tutorial. But you're not gonna size it. This is just a scripting tutorial. You just want a scrolling frame or a frame. They're the same thing, but instead, there's a difference. With the scrolling frame, you can actually scroll up and down, so you can fit unlimited stuff in there. While frame, you can't. So yeah. So UI list layout, or you could do a UI grid layout. I'm gonna do a UI grid layout. What this will do is this will just make a little grid. Yeah, pretty simple. And first of all, we're gonna want to scale this for our search bar. Okay, is my headphones are about to die. I charged them. Give me a second. Hold on. This will give you time to pause, I guess. I'm about to plug in my headphones. Why are these? There we go. Alright. So I'm charging my thing now. So, back to what I was going to do. We got a text box. We're just going to plop that in there. And we have this dude. We're going to kind of size that right there to that. And then this will be scaled, auto-scaled. So, and you're gonna have to find a tutorial, or just use that plugin I just showed you guys, because I don't think it's on the plugin tool. It just helps keep things in scale. As you can see right here, I don't think I sized to scale that. Why is it not scaling? Interesting. That's an issue I'll worry about later. So we're just gonna background color, make this maybe like that. And then we'll make this 0.5 so we can differentiate. I said 0.5. We'll do 0.25, half of that. Alright, so this is we need to scale our text. And we'll set our placeholder text to search here. Alright, there you go. And then we'll take that all the way up right there. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna check and see if there's any UI problems, and no. So we're gonna want to do the same thing, text scaled. Make the text whatever you want. I'll make it so, like, if you want to play a game, we'll do Fortnite, then Roblox, and then Apex Legends, and then Marvel Rivals, and then YouTube, Spotify. So just a list of things for examples right there. And now we're going to input a local script called search system. I can't type my own keyboard. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't also get my keyboard adjust because I don't want it too close to me. It's very uncomfortable. Sorry. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna wanna, oh my gosh, local frame content equal script. Oh my gosh. Script parent frame your children for text labels and content do. If script.parent.text, then if script.parent.text equals text labels.text, then, and Roblox automatically does it for me, which is very nice. Oh. I usually rely on Roblox's auto system because usually I'm lazy about things and I like doing that. Sorry. Okay. Roblox. I said if script.parent.text. Hi, okay, so Roblox issue number 1. This is what I did like 2 seconds ago, so like I don't know what to fucking do because whenever I try to do a tutorial this happens. So let's see. It's probably not gonna work. Spotify. Let's see how it is then. I'm trying to troubleshoot. Let's see what Roblox has to say. Bunch of plugins I can't get rid of. It won't get rid of. I can't. It's embedded in my Roblox now. This is an issue. Okay, it's case sensitive, that's the issue. Give me a second, guys. Okay, the issue is Roblox is not doing anything when I call this if statement. Like, what's wrong with Roblox? I exactly if statement it did. If it has text in the text box. And it still doesn't do anything. It's actually not doing crap. It's actually dumb, so I'm gonna have to figure out why it's doing that, because last time I did the same exact thing, and it's just like today it's like, well, like, hello, I'm not gonna do this for you today, so beat it. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna lowercase the text, and when I mean lowercase the text, I'm just gonna lowercase it, and that's all I'm gonna do. So watch. Local text box text equals string dot freaking lower text labels dot text, and we're gonna do the same thing with our what is it called? Text box text. So I didn't do string. I I really swear. Scripts.parent. I think. Okay. I like how they still haven't perfected their AI on this, even though I've been using script.parent like every single time. It's just still recommending me name like the most recent property I've called for. So if script.parent text, which is our text box text, then text label.text equals if text labels dot text, which is text label text equals text box text, then we don't need to do anything for this, and then it should just like boom boom boom. Spotif. Guys. Key factor here. It's equal, not it. You're not finding a string. Sorry. No, that's not how it works. I'm sorry, guys. I threw you off there. I'm actually supposed to do string.find because I'm stupid. So what was I supposed to do? That's what I was gonna do, and I completely forgot. That's my bad. So if string.find text label text, and our pattern is text box text, and we're gonna start from our index of 1, and we're gonna make that false, and then we're gonna do else, and then Roblox auto completes it for me because they have their AI and it helps a lot. So see, okay, it's way better now. See, all right, get this out of my way. Get it out of my way. Thank you. So as you can see, we have our list of things here. We got Spotify, YouTube, Marvel Rivals, Apex Legends, Roblox, and Fortnite. Well, if we just it automatically filters out the word S. As you can see, we have S at the end, and then we have S at the beginning. You can make it dependent on where it starts, and it'll filter that out. Maybe I'll have to figure that out. As you can see, well, nothing other that starts with SP. Well, that would be Spotify. So then it's like AI system, but it's very simple. Roblox, like I want to play Roblox, it automatically filters out words using string.find. Marvel Rivals, YouTube, as you can see, recommends both. Spotify has a Y and YouTube has a Y, but Marvel Rivals and every other game that doesn't have a Y doesn't pop up when I do that. So, oh my gosh, very easy, simple, done in 2 seconds. If you have a problem in the comment section and you can't script it, then you do not have the skill to fix it, and you do not have the skill to, because there's a thing a lot of times is where you mess up and you don't see that, and then you can't fix it, and then you ask for help but don't understand what the person is trying. You're just gonna have to learn to be able to do this. It shouldn't be that hard. I've done it many times. We all start from somewhere. I remember when I watched a tutorial and I made one tiny mistake and I didn't understand. It was where it was supposed to be this, but this is what I inputted in the code, but it was supposed to be not equal. If I cannot, as you can see, this is not equal, and this is equal, and other code this is not equal, and so on and so forth. If you guys are having a problem with this script, good luck. You're gonna have to do it on your own, because most of the time people that have problems seem to don't have a common understanding of how Roblox scripting works. I'm gonna be honest, Roblox scripting isn't that hard. It shouldn't be that hard. It's not that simple, but it's not that hard, and it's baby language. It's actually pretty much baby language. Lua is for really freaking, Lua is very baby language-ish. It's the easiest language ever to known. That is, I'm gonna be honest, it only takes a person maybe a couple of months to learn it, which I find a little tad ridiculous because that took a long time for me. It took me a year because, yeah. Yeah. I've been doing coding for a while now, so, yeah. Well, see you guys on the flip side.